Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be reviewing an actual ultrasonic bath, hopefully, fingers crossed. I say that because I've already done a review on one of these before, and it did not turn out to be what they said. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, let's get this beauty open, and let's hope to God it's actually what I paid for this time, because, well, I paid for a cheap, crappy one last time too, but I was just... instantly I knew that it was fake. If you haven't seen it, I will put a thing up here somewhere if I remember, but I tend to be quite forgetful when it comes to stuff like that. Okay. That is not the biggest manual I've ever seen, but I suppose it is just to turn it on and let it go kind of thing. Right. It's a proper little cute thing, isn't it? Okay. Available usage. Clean work of any device, machine or their parts in industry, mining, business and domestic areas under right operations. So I assume that's just saying you can use it to do those things. Thank you for using products of Ultrasonic. In order to avoid misoperation that may damage the machine or harm humans, please read the following guidance carefully before use. Obviously I'm not going to read this whole thing out to you. But I will have a look at this and get back to you on whether it's going to be any use. Okay, so I've read the instructions and they're not bad. Do you know what I mean? They say exactly what you need. They are written in quite good English. It's not a very poor translation, although it obviously is just a translation. It's just not like I think it's probably more AI-driven translation than a Google sort of translation. But yeah, as far as I can tell, everything's straightforward, and I think we should just have an actual look at the little device itself. I've got a standard plug and thing for this. I'm not going to use the one that came with it because I don't have an adapter. But it is rated to 240 volts, which is what I use. Well, what my country uses, I should say. It's not my country. I don't own it. In fact, I'm thinking of disowning it at this point. Okay, that's, I assume, plastic covering. Yeah, I'm not going to take that off at the moment. Got this so I can make some nice cups of tea. Oh, don't be silly. How the heck have you got stuck in there? Okay, so this obviously isn't for cups of tea. This is for putting in small devices like earrings and so on. And in fact, Crystal took a pair of earrings off yesterday, so I will put them in a minute if I can find them. Oh, that really doesn't like being closed, but that's pretty cool. I like that, very useful. I'm not sure what that's for yet. Oh, hang on. That looks like it clips around something. Like, well, we'll see. Okay, nice little tray. I didn't actually look at any of the stuff that this came with, to be completely honest with you. One thing I'll say is it's not light and it's not heavy, but it does feel pretty well put together. And at this price, we could take the Sonic. No, we're not taking anything out of it and playing with it. Not at the moment. Okay, so I've plugged it in, but it's connected to a remote control just for safety on everything I ever test out. This has got a timer, on, off, and reset. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a bit of water in, and then I'm going to put my bracelet, and I've got a necklace, same, both silver. I'll chuck in here and I'll just see how they get on. They're probably quite dirty, they haven't been washed in a while, and you know, I've been doing a lot of work in the garden. Right, now there is no fill line, and I did assume there would be one, and I did have a look through this. So it's 2/3, that's all it says. So I will put 2/3 in. It's a little bit over. And I'm going to put a couple of drops of fairy liquid, like washing up liquid, in that now. Crystal's just recently changed all these soap things to different colours. I think this is the right one, so I haven't had a chance to check. But yeah, it is good. I suddenly thought I might not be putting the right one in. Now that makes me sound like a really bad husband, but she's just literally bought loads of different coloured ones for all the different soaps and things and stuff, and I just haven't got around to knowing which one's what. As I've got no idea how much to put in of the washing up liquid, I will just put that much in and we'll see. The photos show this with watches around it and things underneath, but I don't know why you'd do that. How deep would that go? think that'd be enough actually. We'll utilise the packaging. Okay, so turn it on, and I think I should just be able to go on off. Yeah. That's pretty cool, and you can tell that that's ultrasonic compared to just a motor going off. What I'll do is I'm going to mix up that a little bit now. Okay, let's pop this in. Then my chain. And my other chain. I had hoped loads of junk would fly up from it, but obviously not. Okay, there is some discoloration in the water that doesn't look just like it's from the fairy liquid or the washing up liquid. Well, bloody hell. It's actually done a really good job. I didn't show you before, but bear in mind I haven't taken this off since the last time I had to go to hospital. It did not look like that last time. That's actually really, really good. It does exactly what it says. It's definitely ultrasonic. You can tell that by the sound and by the vibrations. Got as much jewellery as I could find from around the house, and I'm going to clean it whether they want me to or not. Okay, it's the most expensive tea I've ever made. It's novelty. No, it's not deep enough. Do you know what? I'm just going to put it in the thing. I'm putting the top rack because it's not big enough. All of the earrings will fall through, I would have thought, but I don't really care. Okay, I'll do it for 2 minutes. So you press this 120, yeah, and go. I'll just chuck them in. Okay, so once you've finished cooking the soup, I'm going to get it all out now. And it's incredibly different. I know I didn't show you what they look like before, but considering I'm only using a bit of dish soap, rather than any sort of cleaning fluids. Come out really good. Can you see how many bits of stuff's in there? Definitely works. Much better than the other one as well. Do you know what? I'm pretty impressed with that. It's so simple to use. You've got a timer, an on, off, and a reset. You know, what more can you want? And all the bits you got with it are pretty decent, you know. This is just a cheap tea strainer. This is, you know, when you get your loose leaf tea. But that's exactly what you need for small things like earrings and such. It does exactly what I want, so it is perfect. Obviously, I can never tell the longevity of things like this, but, you know, I'd happily put my my head on the chopping block and say, this is worth buying if you're after a small, cheap ultrasonic cleaner.